Bananas, let's do a little grocery blog video that I purchased today. And all this that I just bought, it come up to like over $150 and it's very little. So let's dive into it and let me show you what I purchased for over $150. You know, when I just come into this country, this grocery used to be maybe like 50, anywhere between 50 something to $70 when I just came here. Now I spent over $150 for this. Yeah, just one night dinner to go cook. But yeah, I get some other little stuff. But you know, I used to get other little stuff and it was like no more than $70. Everything is just so expensive right now. It's crazy. Anyway, let's go. So first thing first, I get some tomato. I bought saltfish. Guys, look at this. Look at this saltfish. Let me put my glasses on. I get some sweet potato, and I don't cook every day anymore. Get some sardine. Get more coconut milk, even though I have. Buy some extra onions. Get me some brown bread. Get some sweet pepper. Get me some okra. Yeah. Cucumbers. Green banana. Yeah. Lime. Get one avocado. And I get yam. Yes, guys, I got yam. And here is the salt mackerel. Alright, so I am going to pack away all of this. I'm going to get my washcloth, clean everything down. Yeah. Okay. So, as you all see, I like to clean off my stuff before I pack them in here. Yeah. So this coconut milk. I'm gonna put the ones that I just bought at the back. So guys, this is a grocery blog. Yeah. Grocery blog. Yeah. So and then I just put these back. So put these at the front. These are the sardine that was there before. I like to just like wipe them off, you know. Put these at the bottom. Put these on top so that okay, so that's it for canned stuff. Yeah. That's it for cans. No. There's more sardine. Yeah. Put this here. Alright, so okra going to the fridge. Lime going to the fridge. I'm gonna use one banana. Yeah, I need to pack away these. I'm gonna pack away these in the refrigerator. I'll be right back. What do you call it? A supermarket blog. Um, yeah. So guys, this is my um my snack basket, right? And wash my rag. I wash my rag and just wipe off my bulla. Just every now and then you need a feel for a little sweets. I know it's not healthy, but I'll just take a little pinch so that will last me for a couple of days. Me and Obi. Yeah. hmm I try this sugar from Guyana. So yeah, try this. I fill up the container with it already. So that's the leftover. Just keep it. There was a time this basket is so full, guys, with snack. We don't do that anymore. This crackers. You know, crackers. We don't want this for our porridge. So that's really what our snack basket is like right now. One bread, some crackers. I didn't do much shopping this morning. I just really wanted to get what I wanted to do for my cooking today. So I didn't buy much stuff. Yeah, I didn't buy much stuff. Anyways, guys, that is just a grocery blog. So this channel, I want it to be mostly about, my grocery and my cooking. Anything has to do with food, and then sometimes I'll do a little motivational, like on my live, but mostly do that on live. But I'm gonna mostly post about food on this channel to see if I can, switch it up a little bit. I have more pages, so you could always follow me on It's Dana Marie YouTube. Yeah, It's Dana Marie YouTube. Please go over there and support me on that channel, okay? See you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.